In today's video, we are going to cover how to add an interest rate to a client account in Clio Manage. You will start from the Clio Manage dashboard already signed into your account. From the left navigation menu, click Contacts. This opens the area where client and contact records are stored, and it is where you will update the billing settings tied to a specific client. Next, find the client account you want to update. Once you locate the correct contact, click the client's name to open the contact dashboard. This is the page that shows the client's details and the settings connected to their account, including billing-related information. With the contact dashboard open, move to the upper right corner and click Edit Contact. That will open the editable version of the client record so you can make changes to the account settings. On the Edit screen, scroll down until you reach the Billing Preferences section. If that section is collapsed, expand it so the available billing options are visible. This is the part of the contact record where the payment setup for the client is managed. Within Billing Preferences, look for the Payment Profile field. In the current Clio Manage interface, interest settings are not controlled through the hourly billing rate section. Instead, they are managed through the client's payment profile. That detail matters here because selecting the right payment profile is what determines whether interest terms apply to this client account. Open the Payment Profile dropdown and review the available options. Select the payment profile that contains the interest terms you want applied to the client. Make sure you choose the correct profile before continuing, since this selection controls the billing terms associated with the contact. After selecting the profile, review the payment terms displayed beside it. This area provides the details attached to that profile, including the grace period, any discount terms, and whether interest applies. Take a moment to confirm that the terms shown match the billing arrangement you want on the client account. Once everything looks correct, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Contact. That saves the updated payment profile to the client record and applies the selected billing terms. Thanks for watching. The client account now has the selected payment profile with its interest terms applied in Clio Manage.